In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to dark mode in Asana, which is a great way to reduce eye strain and give your workspace a fresh new look. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Asana on your computer, and to find the settings for switching to dark mode, you should start by locating your profile settings. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture or your initials, which is typically found in the upper right corner of your screen. This is where you'll access all the customization options for your workspace. Once you've clicked on your profile picture, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see several options, but what you want to select is the one labeled Settings. Clicking on that will take you to a new window where you can adjust various aspects of the application. Now that you're in the Settings window, look for the tab labeled Display. It's usually among the options at the top, and this is where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing the visual elements of Asana. When you click on Display, you'll find various customization options at your fingertips. Here's the exciting part. Next, you'll want to look for the theme options. You should see a choice labeled Dark. Go ahead and select that option. The moment you click on it, you'll notice an immediate change in your interface. The background and various elements will shift to a darker aesthetic, which not only looks sleek but is also much easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. If you're feeling a bit adventurous and want to go for a more unified look, you can also customize the sidebar and top bar colors. Still within the display settings, you can adjust these elements to black. This step is optional, but it can give your Asana workspace a cohesive dark theme, enhancing the overall experience. And that's it. You've successfully switched to dark mode in Asana. Enjoy the comfortable new look and feel of your workspace. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that switching to dark mode can be a game changer, especially if you're spending hours on project management. It can really help in reducing fatigue and allows you to focus better. So there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful and feel like you've leveled up your Asana experience, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in your newly styled dark mode.